Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today I'm back with a new fashion video, and in today's video I'll be testing few fashion hacks. So if you're on Instagram, you will see that बहुत सारे hacks continuously आते रहते हैं. So I thought let's try them. Let's see if they work really or not. So if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Also follow me on my Instagram. I create content related to fashion there as well. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So starting off with the very first trendy fashion hack, and that is midriff flossing. I'll pop it up here so that you can also see which hack I'm trying. And talking about midriff flossing, I made a video on 2021 fashion trends and I mentioned that there as well. And बाहर अगर आप specific इस type का cloth खरीदने जाओ तो it is really expensive. So this girl has used a shoelace, I think, and she has crossed it from her bra strap from the back side, and then she had done a crisscross in front. Don't worry, I'm trying the hack here. So let's try this very first hack. So I have changed the top, and for the very first hack she uses a shoelace, which I don't have, so I'm using this fabric wala string, and she passes it from the bra strap from the back side, something like this. Now first let's tuck this inside अच्छे से. Now do a crisscross and tie it behind. Wow, it looks so good, like proper. Like अगर ये black color का होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से दिख के आता, but I hope you get the point of this hack. Like you don't need to purchase that top which has a string, and मस्त लग रहा है. I like it. So this hack is a thumbs up from my side. Now let's move on to the next hack. So I'm back. I have changed. I wore a tank top. Now moving on to the next hack. So for this hack, the girl has used a palazzo and then she has tucked the waist part behind, and she have folded her legs ऐसे, and then she had secured it with a belt, and she also has shown a second version of it wherein she has folded it inside and यहाँ से crisscross नहीं किया है, straight रखा है. Okay, wait, let me try and I'll show you guys. So I have this palazzo here. Sorry, pressed नहीं है, but first let's tuck this in. Okay, done. You can see I have tucked it in. Now we have to take this like this. Same for the second. I think so far it looks good from the front. Now she has done is a crisscross. And now we have to secure this with a belt, but before that you will have to wear something underneath like this, क्योंकि यहाँ से पूरा open है, and मेरे को डर लग रहा है कि ये बाहर ना निकल जाए. मतलब ये नहीं निकलेगा वैसे तो, but अगर निकल गया तो. First let's secure. So I think it looks good. बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा it's bothering me, and I think मेरी प्लाजो थोड़ी सी छोटी है. If it would have been a little big, I think वो हो जाता. But second वाला भी try करके देखते हैं. She did something like this. इधर से भी. And then open this. I think this looks much better than that one. Like इसमें ये खिचड़ी भी हट जा रही है. अगर इसको अच्छे से हम फोल्ड कर लेंगे दोनों साइड से, तो this would look much better, and it is looking better on the camera as well. So I think this one is a thumbs up. वो पहले वाला, like I didn't like it. If you like it, then you can wear it. It's all up to your choice. And this is looking nice. यही मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है यार. The next hack is this girl has worn a plain t-shirt. Maybe printed भी रहा तो चलेगा, but I think plain would look much better. And she has used her bracelet to create that effect on the top, which is also very trending. So let's try it. First let's change in and then let's do it. So I have changed and I have this chain. So let's do this. Okay, this is coming like together really well. I'm liking it. Like I don't own anything in this pattern, so I don't need to buy it because this hack is a savior for that. And overall it looks good. आई थिंक मेरी टी शर्ट अच्छे से आयरन रहती तो वो और अच्छा इफेक्ट आता. सो दिस हैक इज अ थम्स अप फ्रॉम माई साइड. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट हैक. द गर्ल इज वेयरिंग अ टी शर्ट एंड शी हैज यूज्ड हर बैंगल and पूरा टी शर्ट उसमें से निकाल के then we have to tuck in rest of the t-shirt inside and it gives like a bangle if like round here. So let's try this hack. Let me first bring a bangle. So here I have my bangle and इसमें से इसको निकालना है like this and then you have to wait, let me do this again. And then we have to keep the bangle like this and tuck this inside. And I think, yes, I got it. This looks nice. Like you can convert your t-shirt into a crop top with a nice effect. And पीछे से also it's looking proper. So this hack is also a thumbs up from my side. Do try it because this is very practical and I don't think this is going to fall because हमने इसको अच्छे से tuck in कर दिया तो it's enough and you can see. So now moving on to the next hack. For the next hack, she has worn a mini dress and as it is too short, she has worn a skirt underneath. So let's try this hack. I also have a mini dress जो मतलब थोड़ा है short. So let's see if this works or not. So I'm wearing that dress and I'll stand on the chair so that आपको भी ध्यान में आए. So it's this short. Now she has worn a peplum skirt but I don't have that. I have this midi skirt. So I'll wear that and then I'll show you guys the final outcome. So this is how it's looking and I think it looks good. Like अगर मुझे ऐसे बाहर भी पहन के जाना है तो I would love doing that. Because लग नहीं रहा है कि it is like a different part of the dress. It is matching the theme. So if your dress and skirt are of a similar shade, then this hack would work for you. And this hack is a thumbs up from my side. Now moving on to the next hack. For the next hack, this girl is wearing a shirt and then the last second button she has worn it with the collar button and uske baad wala bhi she has done the same and then we can see a frill pattern is created. So let's try this hack. So here I am with my white formal shirt. Now for this she has like folded on the second last loop of the button and we have to fold the shirt like this and is बटन में से उसको निकाल. So I have first done this. Now let's see what she's doing. मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा ये figure out करने में ताकि the rest of the part. So let's do that. This is how the final outcome looks. मुझे समझा ही नहीं ये क्या हुआ है मेरे साथ. Plus this is open and अगर ये लगाना भी हमने सोचा तो there is no loophole because we have twisted the shirt upside down. See, we have got the effect, but ये चीज़ नहीं अच्छी लग रही है and even this. So I think maybe my shirt is oversized या फिर मेरे को नहीं जमा ये हैक. I'm so sorry. मेरे को इतना टाइम लगा ये figure out करने में कि how to like do it. And it looks good on camera overall. But यार इसका क्या करें? इसको यहाँ से pin कर सकते हैं. हाँ इसको पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा. We don't have any other. So do let me know what do you think about this hack. And now let's move on to the second last hack. So for the second last hack, the girl has created a cowl neck top and she has first worn the arms and then she has inserted it inside her neck. So let's try this. So here I have a t-shirt and now I have to first put my hands through the sleeves ऐसे बस थोड़ा सा ही डालना है. Then ये जो नीचे से है put this inside your neck first and then हाथ निकाल लो. Wow, I'm loving this hack. Like I would rate it 9.5 out of 10 because 0.5 इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे को थोड़ा सा ये समझ नहीं रहा है but overall it's looking really good and you can try this. Like this is not too revealing and you can wear it anywhere. So this hack is a thumbs up from my side. Now moving on to the last hack and it is a very trendy hack as well. So this is that Bella Hadid style where she wears the midriff flossing on her jeans. I came across this hack wherein the girl passes the string through her button of the jeans and then she does a crisscross and ties it behind. So let's try this hack. I'm excited because this is gonna look really cool if this turns out to be like the way it is being shown on the video. So let's try. The girl is using a lace but I don't have that, so I'm going to use the same string which I used before, and we have to pass it through the loop and then do a crisscross. Pass it through the loop, do a crisscross and tie it behind. Make sure you tie tightly because loose bana to niche aa jayega and it won't look good. Done. I think this looks nice. अगर मेरे पास ये ब्लैक कलर की लेस होती ना, इसका इफेक्ट बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान में आ जाता. But you can see it is looking great, and पीछे से also, even if you want, you can keep it as it is, or else you can tuck it inside your jeans again, and this is looking nice. I'm loving it. Like, so far I have loved almost all the hacks that I've shown except 2 to 3. So do let me know in the comments below what do you think about this video, and if you want me to try any different hacks then send it to me on my Instagram, and I'll love to make a part 2 of this video. And sorry, मैं बहुत sweat कर रही थी इस video में because it's so hot here and I even cannot turn on the fan or AC because it will make some noise and then the audio quality of the video will be disturbed. But this was it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.